So, you're reading a few words, plate joining biscuits. And sounds a little weird to be discussing biscuits with the repair of pianos, but that is exactly what we've got. These little fellows here are called biscuits, and guys that are in the piano restoration business and end up with some unusual parts that would be very expensive to remake and need repair will use these. And these are biscuits. And I'll show you here in a second what they're used for. Now, obviously, you remember from earlier, one of the videos I posted was of this lid. I've got it laid out and marked right now. Matter of fact, let me show you the markings on it. I laid the lid down and then marked it in several places. You can see they're marked, just so that they'll line up in the right place. I've got several of those marks along the length of it. And what I'll do is take this machine here. This is a biscuiting machine. Very strange looking, I know. But it's got a unusual bit in it that will come out when, let's see if I can make it do that now. You can kind of see what it looks like. It's a round type blade, or bit if you want to call it that. And I'll set the depth on that according to the size of the biscuit. I'm not going to use these small ones here. I'm actually going to use some larger biscuits you see down there. And what these biscuits do is when they get wet with glue, I'm just going to use regular wood glue. When these get wet with the glue, they swell up, and then they'll dry swollen and make for a tight fit. And obviously you probably can figure out by now that I've actually cleaned this along here, cleaned the glue off. It took me quite a while to do that, but got that cleaned up. And what I'll do is I've set this tool. This lid is 5/8 of an inch thick, so I needed to split that in half, so I got 5/16. And what I'll do is I'll run this biscuit machine along the edge. So I can show you here, just real quickly. Just sit it along like that. You can notice there. And it's going to make little holes. And these biscuits will fit neatly in the holes along here. And maybe I should have done a couple for you, but that's what you'll have. And maybe I'll do that and post another video when I'm finished, right before I put it together for you to see. But then I'll clamp it together, and it's pretty straightforward after that. But that'll allow me to make these two pieces one piece again. And this happens quite a bit with square grands. But I do it with grand pianos as well when you get lids that are busted for whatever reason. Maybe the piano's been dropped or whatever. A lot of times folks will walk on the piano lids and not quite sure why they do that, but they'll bust them and they'll need repairing. So that's what you have there. And just keep an eye out. I'll get this glued up, and I'll have a few more videos because of this particular piano. We're still on the Haines brothers because I've got a couple other pieces that I'm going to be doing some major work to that I want to show you as well. So, love to hear your comments. You can comment right below the screen there, or if you have a Twitter account over at twitter.com @BeaversPiano. Thanks for watching.